In this session, we're going to review the content layout tools for Pyramid. These tools are available inside Present, Publish, and Illustrate for designing dashboards, publications, and data-driven infographics. For the demonstration, we're going to use Present. To start, we're going to use a blank canvas and add 3 shapes from the built-in shape library. For clarity, we will give each shape a different color. To select all the elements, we can use the lasso capability by holding down your mouse and dragging it over all 3 shapes. You can see, once selected, we get bounding boxes on each one. By going to the slide ribbon, we now get buttons that allow us to align, distribute, and order our content. In this case, we've chosen to align to the top. And now we're going to distribute things evenly horizontally. Once they're all selected, moving your mouse on all 3 objects will move them in tandem. Right-clicking will also expose the same menus. In this case, we're now going to choose Alignment Bottom. Grouping is a very useful feature because it creates a single entity out of all the multiple child entities. This gives us capabilities including copy-paste, stretching and growing, and a variety of other tools. Grouped elements will shrink and grow in proportion to their size and also to their spacing. Conveniently, a grouped element can be easily copied and pasted, and the entire group will be pasted and duplicated accordingly. And here again, we can select all 3 groups, go to our menu, and choose the alignment options, and this time distribute vertically. Rotating a group will rotate all 3 objects together. This is distinctly different to rotating each of the objects independently. Interestingly, if you've got a group and you rotate an item within the group, it will rotate it and still leave it within the group structure. Another capability, specifically here with our graphics, is that by selecting them all together, we're able to do common formatting on all 3 at the same time. For example, shrinking and growing them, in this case without keeping their position proportionate. As well as be able to do formatting, for example, changing the colors of the different shapes. Another capability is to be able to set their order. Here we're able to bring the shapes to the front. In this case, the green ones will sit on top of the colored ones, and vice versa, we can send them to the back. In the next example, we're going to apply the same capabilities to visualizations using analytical content. Here, for example, we would like to align the 2 charts to the top. All the functions you have seen with the layouts also works in combination with shapes and images. So here we're able to resize and shrink the entire group. And we can also copy entire groups of information from one canvas page to the next.